A quick overview of the course project, and this is going to be the mortgage calculator. So you can enter in a price, enter in the down payment percentage, and the Google Sheet is going to calculate using the formula to calculate the mortgage amount. You also need to enter in an interest rate and the amortization period, which is in this case 30 years. And Google Sheets will once again make the calculation to determine what your monthly payment will be. Just below, we're going to have each month with the balances, the amount that is being paid, and that's going to be the monthly payment amount, the amount of interest within the total amount that's being paid, also the new balance once this has been paid, once this payment has been paid, and the amount that the interest of the amount of interest that has been paid thus far. So this will continuously increase, and the amount that is borrowed will decrease until we get to 120 months. And at that point, this is going to be the remaining amount that's still left on the mortgage payment, also the amount of interest that's being paid, the total amount that's left, and then also the amount of interest that's been paid at that point. So you can also update this, change the numbers, and add additional months in order to make the calculation. In order to share your project to the class, under the file, you can select the share, publish to the web, and that will create a web link that you can use in order to share to others so that they can also look at the content of your calculations. You can also do a screenshot indicating the formulas that were used and then output those into the class project. A second project is also an investment calculator or a loan calculator. And these are also going to be based on similar formulas that you can create within your Google Sheets.